Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these sunflower hair clips. We will start with the brown colored yarn. Firstly, we will create a ring and work 6 single stitches. We have 6 single stitches. Then we need to fasten the circle. We need to firstly pull the tail and find out the removable loop, and then pull this loop to fasten the circle. Then pull the tail to fasten the end and cut off the tail. Then we will join the round with a slip stitch and work 1 chain as the head of next round. In round 2, in every chain, we will work 2 single crochets together, and we will repeat this 6 times to finally have 12 stitches. Now we come to the end of this round. We won't work in the slip stitch and the chain used as the measurement of hat. This is the first chain of next round. We will join with this chain using a slip stitch. Then we will work 1 chain as the head of next round. In round 3, in every 2 chains, we will work 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochets together. We will repeat this 6 times to finally have 18 stitches. Now we come to the last chain. We will still join the first chain with a slip stitch, and then work 1 chain to secure the end and cut off the tail. Then we will change to yellow yarn to make our petals. We will start with a magic ring. We will join the flower heart with the yellow yarn at any position. And then we will work 2 chains. In the same chain, we will work 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet. Now we will move to the next chain and work 1 triple crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 chains. We will join the next chain on the flower heart with a slip stitch. Now we have our first petal. We will repeat this whole process 8 more times to make 9 petals together. Finally, we will join the flower heart with a slip stitch. We will work 1 chain to secure the end and cut off the yarn. Finally, we need to assemble the flower and the hair clip together, and done.